About a year ago, I was 286 pounds. My BMI was officially 40, which put me in the morbidly obese category. I had high blood pressure. I was pre-diabetic, borderline type 2 diabetes, and I knew that if I was going to be there for my two kids, that I definitely had to make a change. Like I remember my very first class. I came in and Professor Angelica was super welcoming, pulled me aside, and she helped me, trained me one-on-one. Now I'm able to roll myself across that mat, and I'm able to keep up with everybody, and it's just been such a huge change in such a short amount of time to just be able to look back at 1 year from now, and I am half the person that I was then, and I'm definitely so much stronger and so much happier than I was before.